This is Project Blue Eagle, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Blue Eagle is painted in full gloss Caledonian blue with silver accents. Blue Eagle sits on 16-inch 8-spoke steel wheels in Chawton white with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper, E.C.D custom silver metal steering guard, 6-point full external roll cage with 4 LED round spot lamps up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, Blue Eagle features an Evander wood steering wheel with classic white gauges, Recaro orthoped front and mid-row seats with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather, stitched together in reindeer. This 110 is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Blue Eagle also features an array of modern conveniences such as touchscreen stereo, rear AC and access to charging points throughout.